Guys, let me show you what every single one of you who watch this video will want to implement in your garden. I just found something that I believe it's very amazing, especially for those that are doing gardening and want to do it the best way or the most perfect way. A quick pause. Most of you watching us are from the diaspora, and you always tell us that you enjoy watching our videos, especially when we are walking on the streets or showing your farms. So I think because most of you have properties in the Gambia, and that is why we brought you this camera so that you can secure your property even if you are away. Away from home. So with this, all you need to do is to insert a SIM card and a memory card, and you have access to whatever this camera is saying. You can see whatever this camera is saying, and you can control this camera. In fact, you can talk to anybody through this camera. You can alert those people that are in your property that they are under surveillance because it has a mic and a speaker. You can see right here, there's a speaker. That means if you talk to this camera, whoever is around this camera will hear your voice through your mobile phone. And whatever is happening around this camera, you can also hear it through your mobile phones. You can control it left or right, up and down through your mobile phones. Anytime somebody walks in front of this camera or this camera sees this person, whether it is during the day or at night, it will alert you on your phone to say someone is at your property, whether it's at a construction site, it's at your home or your shop. It will always protect you. Contact us on this number if you want to get this camera to protect your property. And one more thing, the camera is also solar powered, so that means you don't have to worry about electricity. Yes, it can take electricity, but most people would use it for solar connectivity because they want to install it at remote sites, mainly at construction sites and in the shops. So if you are interested in a camera like this or you want to get yours right now, just contact us on the number that will be on the screen. Look at this. This is called drip irrigation, and it is done very nicely right here in this farm. And I'm going to introduce to you the person that is doing this drip irrigation. Look at how nicely it is all laid out. Very, very nice. Look at the water is dripping very perfectly well from this line, that line, all those other lines. Okay, so now this is the man over here, the big man. Ini mbara banyari.
Ini mbara alhamdulillah.
Abaka.
Mbaga.
Edo kunyima bare maja.
Okay.
Alo nyari.
Alhamdulillah mbija.
Ha na mode nenga ku kedo jangal ka tande galale.
Yeah,
Ano nim fenete mi yanko ngalo baki ka ni ngani sene wala baki ka ni do ko nyimala. You understand?
Yeah.
So la fene ngale diamo.
Mm.
Isaje ni to fon la fala.
Ah.
Ise kumani no ila no mabe tratte video to jang.
Okay.
So say ise fam fanyi no itle njomati anen yeni do ko commencer nyamen. Jeni bita ni do ko fon to jang.
Okay. Ntela mo Ibrahima Sanyang. Na original board of Saru Jale opposite Brikamba. Nte ngayon do ko karang na boss level agriculture. Yeah, so nimbi tema alhamdulillah na senda sol jula jama antela ka ke efini ya jamme time. Ala senda sol from base jamen sapo anin kombo jang. Ntele kala dulal connect. So nyimu fenete mi alam ko niyake ada warta bakile. Because yan nyaba nyi rijo minna. Ni atara nyi rijo nyanta tel liters le minna. Ni ye mo nati je pour ka jibon apulola aba only 5 liters le kelaje. So we ba jela wo na nyanta ka din maybe 4 years time la nyanta ka din asitano up to 6 years ata dinna. So ba na atara ka enough water soto. So 3 to 4 years doron aba dinnale.
Wow.
So wala na nyin dripo nyin da wata bake momo ya sembo soto ni ake doron alhamdulillah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So sa yale ko muma ya sembo soto. Bari yalon sa ntenga mun korosi.
Okay.
Eka mun ni mota eka ay gadino jibong ya. Eka jo mun every day. Or every month eka jo mun. So niko yo la nyo kan fo sanji killing wala sanji fula. Akam to wala sembo warta ni ko be ni ibeni kila kodi.
Anin fene sembo warta dinna iba nyin kila.
Ani se ba ya nim fene mi yalon ko niya sinya killing abantare.
Yeah, ni ake do.
Foni ko pay bo tinya da ban fi mama ko atinya man tare yaw nyaba.
Because nyin sa more than 4 years tano amantinya. Ite mari la ba fenkela ni parete ya move ya pak. Ya ono sanne daniela kulke. So ni parete a foloni ya hanite mari fon damma ibina le ya fix doron ya boji abanda. So nyin start no la mo promote.
So I come to say name automatic watering it.
Yeah, automatic watering them.
And now look guys, if you look around you can see all this, you can see that one right there, that one there, that one there. It's showing that every place, everywhere is getting watered automatically without anybody doing anything. So now look here, it looks like there's a solar panel over here with a tank, and everything else is now going down into these pipes and running along this line. Okay, so saya explain more no, komi muna tama kan fon, komi ka doko fon bita kan nyame. Okay, ninjo me bon kante. Ya kenya defo ninjo fon me bon kanja.
Okay, you connect from the main pipe. As will connect to I have to line also.
Okay.
So but it from you move 60 cm let from hole to wall is 60 cm.
ST
60.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
60 cm. Yeah, jale. One is here, one over there.
Okay.
So it's 60 cm.
60.
So,
oh, ala distance wala po.
Distance yeah. Yeah. So but dol fanal bige mini alam ko 30 cm. Dol bige mini alam 15 cm, 10 cm abe so total. So it's depend ite mari la faming fila then ibola pipe wala sana.
Okay. So sa pipe wala ka determine ibe mun kala fo ibe mun fila.
Ibe min fila ya.
Okay.
Like ni jabola mo iba 10 cm le kala 15 cm. So na tara nyim vegetable on like kanol ning ku ko tan iba 30 cm le kala. So ni kanjol mute isa todun 60 cm keno then ibo akono.
So ngamu understand ya kam ko mi momot na lo de pipe wala di fo nyam fo
no,
ya di mo la mi aka do ko lo.
Fine. Because yalon kan wala fano nyi sistilam so nyim pipe ba kano tala comme for example ya jele nyimba sinan kandami jamu kani juleti so ni bireta drong all space o munyin because ni jabolo mo mu 20 cm let ya no san so another 20 cm so it in drip pipe o use no la jabola so for sa 15 no use or 10 no use.
Okay, nim pipe o ala size o wala ka distance o determine
distance yeah fine.
So pipe do fana bi mi an ko wolbe kala measurement wolbe kala
wala ba short la nyola dina nyin.
Okay. So nim pipe will it be the same size for pipe or size? But the whole the clean.
The whole the keno la clean.
Okay.
But la nyin mu the same size like.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. So sa ngamun ko ja.
Okay.
Yalo we pipe ning land is almost like ala jam fo kam 30 meters la.
Yeah, 30 meters.
So sa pipe sieta nyame ko data jiola presso nyi banna.
No, it's okay because nyama need di jamala aka drop nyamin comme la tanko ne atara 40,000 liters machine obole bila every day sa 20 to don 2,000 liters ni use no for drip 2,000 liters ni reserve. So ni first one on ne kolata but ni first one no itara for asinanta benta kai even at just 2 hours 3 hours ya close.
So that means it will not be open for the rest of the day. Like amaka kuma batara all the time.
No. Na sinanta ni first one na o sodo drong iba jela ni muruta na every day pour ka topin ke just 2 hours drong iba close lal ya continue to la do.
Okay. So sa inja design mo use ja kam ning side ni ibe drip irrigation or use kanja so ning side yo bla ya pour mo ne bo man pipe je jama fon
di sabla neti force sainte man fen man sula jela folo maybe nyaato nin tara sula jela sa fana connect no from another pipe supply
so sa ba ke no ning tanko ne asa ning side of supply no I ning side of fana supply all together
asa dula do fon supply no mim mankende comme nga fe nyami
okay
ni sinanta drong misal fe today tomorrow man nit ka jang otari ya no sa following day sinano ya open misal fe just 2 hours 3 hours then ya close ya continue la dula do.
Okay. So saying it looks like this one. Nino mingo ming wala ka ning lanos ni la fan lanos fale bin nasoron.
Ni ba la fa lanos fale ba in connect la soron. So valve fo in feven na la stop valve fo.
Mingo mina stop valve. Okay. So saying nga jana jibe fo presso bi jere fo presso tije because nga jang jibe to kan do mondo. I want to confirm that come presso bin pipe ko hani sa.
Okay. Yeah, presso je la ba nyame.
Okay. Wow. So akam dan ning kay mom isa lano la fano ja dia nyame. I see. And ning kam do ko hol pombo la bija kam do ko feman rafinde gam flofa. It looks like look at this pressure. Even without all this with all these pipes that are already laid down, still now you have this pressure. So this is really great. So ning ado le fon kan be so de mang fon ni pipe ko na.
Be so ten. Fonel ka be position ten. Ya ila fa ala nyami dol bije ko mi nga fo firi fon tout wala bul. Kontel ngaindol ke 30 cm le connector to connector is 30 so baruladol bije sa keno from 50 to 30 as depende ba min fila ni tuba nyolel mo ba kala around 60 cm
60
so por ko men bitu tebulol ni atara misal fe ngamin ko jabolel mo ba kala 20 cm ya masal ni jabolel mo ba alala wala nyama
2020 okay I see Okay, I see. Wow. Ala preso haita ba kala.
Preso aita, yeah.
Okay, so sa ni le faka ni line me fa xam da val bala betala ko ma je be mun det la rek.
Yeah, main line of Feleja, min border from the tank. So ni la faka line on yimbe o pour ko da yimbe kana pensor. Yeah, yes to valve jel.
Okay.
You know, main store valve for the me along ko ni nyim close the run system o beba offline. Yeah.
I see.
So
I see.
ni store valve dole tata ko min nyim pombol min ba wolol to. Wala mo ni store valve ni o fana yele dron. Ni store valve ba nyim pombol ba bilale ba ni a close the run ni beba offline.
Ay le ko system o be.
Yeah, ndele nyim be ke ja.
Oh yeah. Kay sa ngaje fourné fana ba bulo fourné pour mo
yalo ni mostly ka drilo le soto especially aka so menna so bar komi di local we ni le drilo ni bar hijite buli man la fi ka do ko stop ya ni ko pa pipe jel ñene ni roba sol mu di same size so ka so no ni nale aita without iman drilo use you understand because ni tata dula dol to wulo kono kurente buli je e ko ba depend na drilo ka fale so ni bari of table doron fo sa ñi use so wala nante ka ñi use full time o kana waste
imagine so wala na fourné ba use kan
wala na fourné ba use kan ni ñi kandindi doro ya so very easy pour ka so
ala ta jela pour ka fenki
ata jari la ka fenke je
bara ka roba sot la pour ba
roba sot la wala mu roba ñi fele jang okay ñi roba je la ni aso e ka ñi roba le keje so ni ñi roba keje den ya connecto dundi e ba jela ta lekla sa ela connecto ñi ne batara control to valve fo soroka ni la fa line min bila yo ta yela ya ñi na mu robati
ni ka dum pay bokon
ya ñi na ka dum pay bokon
so saying ngajele like ni line sama laf kala line endi no ka nyamen line endi no nyanta so we go and check how the ending of the line is because inside all this side is having a stop valve. So you can see all this water. Wow, this is very nice. This is really good. Great. Yeah, this is very fantastic. I really love this. And so, Ninsi, if I can banana, I can vegetable, I can papaya.
Abakela chose 2 meters late. Banana ni banana tema 2 meters line.
Wole fana me jam fala
nyoti. Wole jam fala nyoti nyindi.
Okay.
Because kunu fa mbota mano minna dula to do ko la sifo. The same one nga ke wole 2 meters away from banana to from line to line is 2 meters.
Okay.
Yeah. So a telephone ka pipe economy dina nyindi. Yeah.
Okay.
So sa ngata en plo ko nyi nyanda kela dami. Comme mola experience ul manke clean.
Yeah.
Yalla ndol bije ni ma en plo ko soto. Aka ko le abake pour yeddo ko. Bari ya jele ba jani la tenne dron ay en plo ko soto without ima en plo ko sa.
Ano
abakena economy la amari bulu pour ala. You see?
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngaketen.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
This is nice. So sa kelandile ko nyama
sa kelandile ba jala jan ni mano pareta na jantas jamba kela siloleti comme na lunta on sodo kana kala dula visit so ni rawno ni ba kela siloti ani ni fence wala ni rawno be ba kela siloleti da volta pipe sodo wala nanga pipe ni tan ya
okay do ko nyara ba kala do so ni mo la fake ita pour kadin do ko ke o before wo fan e kadi ni apart from no e kadi do ko siba do fan ngale fo
nte kadi no ni nte jio do ko fanna o fannan kakel yeah, andu ndawdan di ninni tata je ba mira ngole no dina nyin doti
imagine
ndaba do ko la from nari agriculture yeah
okay
so, bi mu weke no ledi so wala na outside work so ngeke no bi
wow
yeah
so ni mo la fike contact la pour yen do ko sibaka o any other plug pipe do ko sakat ma garden la karo ko ngal na follow jama ba biye garden ko e sawato la ko la bakel because e kala ka invest garden ko la bara so ni mo fike commanda be commanda no badmal
no isa commandi no about 312-5054 6207-798 official 728-113
Would be WhatsApp
number and we be able to make hand food on any command anytime even sort
if an be WhatsApp or
no only chooselo in about WhatsApp
all in Jumari
all 312-5054
okay
yeah all mun na WhatsApp
okay
yeah
all right Tony ma ko fa
Ibrahim Sanya
yeah guys that is Ibrahim Sanya as you heard from him. And like I said, if I see something that is going to be good for the diaspora or those that are watching this channel, there are a lot of people now in the Gambia are watching this channel. So if you want to do something like this, contact the numbers that he just mentioned and they will be right there in this video. I'm really amazed to see a work like this. This is the first time seeing somebody doing drip irrigation. Even though I know that it's available or it's existing, but it's the first time that I'm seeing somebody doing it live. And I feel like it is like something that all of you want to see. So contact him and make sure you do some work with it. I see you in another video.